So our analysis on our pound JPY currently, I want you to also know that we are on our London section. The market has actually opened now and we are in our London section, by the way. So sooner or later we will be going straight to our New York section. Now we can see our London section, our pound to our JPY has dropped massively, and we can see it on our daily time frame. Analyzing from our daily time frame, by the way, you can see it here. Our pound has actually dropped, and we notice one thing is that once our pound gets to this level here, it actually pushes up. We can see it came here, tap this level, pushes up, came here, tap this level, pushes up, and our price is very much likely to tap this level and push up again. So probably we will be getting that bullish move by next week, by the way. So this today, which is Friday, we are actually gone a lot down, by the way. So that's why if you still want to take your trade on this, since we are still on our London section, then I'll say actually short this our pound JPY. That at least we still have some at least 30 to 50 more pips to drop before we probably might be seeing a reversal move on our pound JPY. Now that is on our daily time frame. We can see our pound is dropping against to our JPY index. Now let me show you our JPY index. Since our JPY index, we can see our JPY index is actually going bullish, by the way. Once our JPY index is going bullish, any pair we are trading to our JPY index would actually be falling, which means our pound to our JPY must actually be giving us that fall. And we can see that this our JPY index has actually gotten to this key level area here. We can see it's this key level area. What are we waiting for? At least a pullback or a reversal move. At least we'll be getting a drop anytime soon. So which means it has actually given us that confirmation that sooner or later our pound to our JPY will start going bullish. We can see that our JPY index has actually gotten to this key level here. Sooner or later our JPY index will start dropping, maybe as a pullback or as a change, maybe probably drop to this low, or as a pullback then continue going bullish. We just don't know how it will plays out anytime soon, but we would want to see a reversal move, a drop, then a bullish move, or a continued bearish move downward. So that is on our JPY index. Our JPY index will soon be giving us a drop, which means our pound to our JPY will soon be giving us a bullish move. Have that in mind. So now let's go on our 4-hour time frame. We are still on a bearish move, by the way, and this our 4-hour time frame I'll be considered here as a pullback. After it, then a last drop again, tap this our lows, which is our support level, before our pound JPY can start pushing up. So have that in mind. Very soon we will start going bullish on our pound JPY.